How to clear an app, data, or cache on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge, or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down. And in here, tap on Apps. Next, scroll down and select an app that you would like to clear the cache and data. So for example, I'm going to select Red Bull 4 here, and then we scroll down and tap on Storage. In here, to clear the cache, you can tap on Clear Cache. To clear the data, you can tap on Clear Data. Then tap on Delete. Now here it says, all of this application's data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, databases, etc. So tap on the Delete button if you are sure. So if you are playing a game, your game progress and other data will be also removed once you tap on the Clear Data button. And that's it. Finally, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.